Hello guys, in this video we'll be learning about post-order traversal. So now what is the structure of the post-order traversal? So the structure is left, right and root. So this is the diagram where we are provided with. So we will solve this in both the methods, that is direct method and the substitution method. So first let us start with direct method. Let's divide this graph into two. So you can say this as T1 and this one as your, this whole thing as your T2. So let's start. Now if you look into this structure, it's first left, right and then root. So if you see in this graph, so we'll start from this way. So left here 6, so 6 will come down, that is your right side. So now if you see, right has one child, so that is again your left, so your left will come down again, then comes right, it does not has anything, then the root, so the root will be written here. So again if you see left, that is already done, so right done, now the root, so plus. So if you see, this part is done. Now we'll move to the T2 side. So first is your left, so if you see here, your left is 8 first, and it does not has any other children's further, so 8 will come here. And then if you see your right, now your right has another 2 children's over here. Now you will be thinking, where should I go? So you should go to your left side according to the structure. So left, now left has 2 children, so first 9, so left, then right and then the root, and again left, right. So left already done. Now right 6, we have another one child over here, so this left should be written here, there is no right, then root comes, then this left, right, then the root. Now left is done, right is done, then the root, and then the final root. So this is how you solve in direct method. Now let us solve this in substitution method. Substitution method. So as the structure says, that is left, then right and then the root. So if I see, my left side is T1, right is T2 and the root, I'll be taking this root over here. So let us start the process. Now if I see here, this first is T1. So if I look into this structure T1, so it has left, right and the root. So left subtree, right subtree, root, I'll be writing it. So let me put this in a box. And if I look into T2, it also has left, right and the root, that is minus root, this root, left side, right side and the root, and this root as it is. Now LST. So if I see here, LST is 6 over here, so I'll be writing 6. RST is 5, but before writing 5, you will see here there is another child, that is 2. So this is LST. LST 5 means this 5 has an left sub tree. So I'll put it in a box, and then your root. So this will be in another box. Now let's go with the right side. So that is your left, right and the root. So here first LST is 8. Now if you see here R, this has again right and left and right. So LST, RST, that is 2. This root 2 has LST and RST. Then your minus will come here. This will be in another box. Then your star as it is. Now let's come back here in T1. Now 6. Now your 5 has LST. So your 5 LST is 2. So this 5 and this 1 plus. So first this one will be in a single box and this will be in another box. Now this 8 comes here. Now your 2 has LST and RST. So if you see here, your 2 has LST and RST. So if you write your LST as your 4, but again this 4 has LST and RST. So LST, RST, 4. So put this in a box. And now your 2's RST is 6, but this 6 again has an LST. So LST 6. So this will be in a single box. And now your 2, then your minus, and then your star. Fine. Now this one 6, 2, 5 plus. We have found T1. Done everything. Now 8 comes here. Now your 4's LST and RST. So LST is 9 and your RST is 1 and then your root. So now this box is also done. Then your 6 LST. So that is 10 and then you have 6 and then your 2, then your minus and then star. So now let us come to the final conclusion. 8, 9, 1, 4, 10, 6, 2, minus and star. So if you match both of these, you get the same value. So this is how you solve in direct method and in substitution method. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share.